This is my dog acting like a fool. Gosh. Here it comes. Here he goes. Two of my dogs acting like a fool.
Rusty just stepped
Ooh, he run like Superman. Oh my gosh.
Well, Rusty's not heavier than us adults who stepped on.
Let's get ready to rumble. Go on, let's go. Where are you at, little dog? Oh, Sasha, you're right there. Ooh, fast. Ooh, you just got up to me. Hey, why you jumping everybody out? Whoa, people.
Russell, lay down.
Time out.
Russell down.
Fight.
And she runs to him.
No.
She chases her. She'll get beat up.
Da-da-da-da-da.
No.
Charge. Oh my gosh. That dog can run.
Thanks.
My two psycho dogs. Whoa.
No.
Oh my gosh.
No, hey.
Yes. You trying to bite this guy's head off?
Sit.
Well, I mean, girl.
Down. What I said?
Okay, down. Down. And I sit down. Here we go. Ooh, swish. Hot chew. And that's a knockout. The winner is Sasha. Yay. The pretty dog with the dress.
So there you go.
Dun, 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 dun. I'm so annoyed.
Real feel is 80.
You want a piece of me, Sasha?
Oh.